Good morning. Here is the result of my first batch of sprouts. These are the only ones that sprouted out of that broccoli tray. Here is the tray. I am gonna leave it and let it try and see if I can get any more out. I'll leave these out and see if I could get them to green. Mung beans, lentils, and radish. I've almost eaten half of them. I've eaten, yeah, half of them. The Chinese cabbage, I've eaten probably about a third of it. I started some green peas. See the little tails on here? Started some more. Mung bean, radish, and lentils. And I started a jar with alfalfa sprouts. Started it yesterday. This is the results from overnight. So, and I've got some stuff coming. So stay tuned. We got some more goodies coming. Alrighty, I will holler at y'all later, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.